Hello students, in my today's video I am going to discuss chapter number 25 of part C, mathematical operations. In these kind of questions you can see they have given the symbols this, this, this and this. So they have not given the direct symbols of maths which you are daily used. On the place of plus they will give you any symbol, on the place of minus they will give you any symbol, like you can see in your chapter number 25 in the questions 1 2 3 4 and 5. So first you have to find out the meaning of the symbols, what exactly these symbol indicates. So suppose for finding out the meaning of the symbols, you can see they have given the 4 points in the starting, A, B, C and D. So first see the A point. In A point you can see 8 star 2, then it is written 16. So what symbol would be there so that you can get the 16? Multiplication it to the 16. You can see 9 star 3, again multiplication, then only you will get the 27. 12 star 4, then again multiplication, then only you will get 48. So what is the meaning of star? Star, it stands for multiplication. In the same way, this hash sign, you can see this hash sign 8 hash 2, then you have got 4. So how you can get 4? 8 divided by 2, then you will get 4. Then 9 divided by 3, then only you will get 3. 12 divided by 4, then only you will get the 3. So what is the meaning of this symbol hash? Division sign. Then 8, you can see this power, this is known as the power symbol. When you will go in higher standard, you will able to know what is the meaning of this sign. This is known as the power sign. 8 2, and the answer is 6. So 8 minus 2, then only you will get 6. 9 3 6, 9 minus 3. 12 sign 4 is equal to 8. 12 minus 4. So the meaning of this sign is minus. Now you can see this symbol is known as the delta. 8 delta 2, and it is written 10. So what is the meaning of delta? Plus. 9 delta 3, 9 plus 3, what you will get? 12. 12 delta 4, 12 plus 4, what you will get? 16. So delta stands for plus. Now if I am talking about the question number 1, the question number 1 is 7 star sign 3 delta sign 28 hash sign 14 this power sign 22. Now whatever sign you have got from point A, B, C and D, you have to replace the symbols with those signs. So what was the meaning of star? The meaning of star means multiplication, so you can put here multiplication. What was the meaning of delta? The meaning of delta was plus. What was the meaning of this hash? The meaning of hash was division. And what was the meaning of this power sign? This power sign meaning was minus. Now rest of the thing you have to copy. 7 3 28 14 and 22. Now you can see you are having the 4 operations: multiplication, plus, division and minus. You all already know the rule of D mass. D means first you will do the division. M means first you will do the multiplication. After division you will do the multiplication. After multiplication what you have to do? Addition. And the last what you have to do? Subtraction. So this thing you have to follow in this statement. So you can see the division sign is there. So first you have to solve this. So 28 divided by 14, what you will get? 2. The rest of the thing you have to copy. 22 plus 3 multiplication 7 sign. Now you are having the 3 operations: multiplication, plus and minus. So in multiplication, plus and minus, what you have to solve first? Multiplication. So 7 into 3, what you will get? 21. Rest of the things you have to copy. Now you can see you are having the 2 operations. First is plus and second is minus. So first you have to do the plus. So 21 plus 2, what you will get? 23 minus 22. 23 minus 22, what you will get? 1. So final answer would be 1. So like in this way you can complete question number 1 to question number 5. Now if I am talking about the question number 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, what they have written in the instruction: express each of the following with changed symbol, write required symbol in the boxes. What they have given in this question, they have given the mathematical operations: multiplication, plus, division and minus. Now they have written and they have removed the mathematical operations, and what you have to do, you have to replace these symbols with on the place of these mathematical operations. So on the place of multiplication, it means 6 and 3. This multiplication is coming, but you don't have to write down the multiplication sign. What was the symbol for multiplication? Like this is star. So you have to put star. Then on the place of plus, what was the symbol of plus in point ABCD? Delta. So you have to put delta. Then on the place of division, what was the symbol of division? You can see this hash symbol. And on the place of minus, what was the symbol in point ABCD? This power symbol. So like in this way you have to complete from question number 6 to question number 10, and you can take the help of ABCD point for solving both the questions 1 to 5 and 6 to 10. So in today's homework you have to complete chapter number 25, page number 66. Okay, thank you everyone, have a nice day.